हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन इज बायोडाइवर्सिटी ऑफ अ geographical region represents. So bio means living and diversity means varieties. So all the types of organisms that are present in a given area, it represents the biodiversity of that particular area. So this variety or these types, these biodiversity may be in terms of the genes and their alleles, so it is called the genetic biodiversity. It may be in terms of number of species, so number of species present in a given area represents the species biodiversity, and this biodiversity may also be on the basis of ecosystems found in a given landscape, so that is called the ecological biodiversity. So here let's see the options. So biodiversity of a geographical region represents, so endangered species found in the region. So endangered species, it means the species which are facing the threat of extinction. Only few members of the species are left, and if they are died, then the species will become extinct. So, but here it doesn't represent the biodiversity of that area. It is a part of biodiversity. Then the B option is the diversity in organisms found in the given region. So I told you that all the types of organisms that are inhabiting that area is the biodiversity of an area. So it is right. For example, if there is a forest, so here we will find the different kinds of plants and also different kinds of animals. So all the types of animals and plants which are inhabiting this forest, it is equal to the biodiversity. So it is right. Then genetic diversity in the dominant species. So no, we don't only take the diversity in terms of dominant species, but also the species, all the species which are inhabiting that area. So this one is not true. Then species endemic to the region. So endemic species means the species which are restricted to that area. It means these species are found here only and nowhere else. But the species which are not endemic, they are also a part of biodiversity. So this is not correct. So the only right option here is option B. I hope it is clear. All the best.